Arson has long been a problem in America's inner cities where population has declined, leaving vacant homes behind. In Detroit, local officials have been battling arson for more than 30 years, relying on tips to the Michigan Arson Hotline to help investigators. But the program that gave out reward money for those tips ceased to exist in late 2017. Recognizing the need for the program and its value to the state, an agent from the National Insurance Crime Bureau stepped in, and today, the reward program is back up and running.
In 1958, the city of Detroit had about 1.5 million people. Fast forward to 2018, you're looking at about 675,000 people. 2/3 of the population moved.
That, Ellis Stafford says, is one of the primary reasons that arson has plagued the city of Detroit for years. Empty, abandoned homes. Homes that become a target for arson.
Many times locally in that neighborhood, somebody knows something.
NICB Supervisory Special Agent Joe Hanley works in Michigan and deals with arson cases regularly. So when he learned the committee responsible for distributing the Arson Hotline reward money was going under, he knew something had to be done.
At the beginning of 2018, working with the Michigan Basic Property Insurance Association, we approached the Detroit Crime Commission and asked if they would take the lead role in administering the hotline.
NICB came to us and said, "Do you think you can do this?" And about 30 seconds later, we said, "Yeah, we can do this."
The new program was up and running by May of 2018. Ruth Hannum works for Michigan Basic and sits on the Arson Reward Board.
Last year we gave away $27,000.
The board meets 4 times a year to discuss funds that will be paid out to witnesses and tipsters who've given information through the Arson Hotline. Chief of Fire Investigations for the City of Detroit, Patrick McNulty, has worked with the city fire department for 32 years. 23 of those years with the arson section.
It's a very hard crime to solve.
So having a witness or additional information can be the difference between a case getting solved or an arsonist continuing to roam the streets.
We found that a number of citizens have information about a house, even if it's something as small as, I seen them removing the furnace and the water heater 2 days before the house burned down.
The hotline is one of many tools being used to combat arson in the state.
I know in the city, we've seen a good decline over the last 2 years in arsons.
NICB data analysts looked at numbers of arson-related suspicious claims referred to NICB from insurance companies in Michigan. From 2014 to 2018, arson-related suspicious claims referred to NICB decreased by nearly 50%.
The Michigan Arson Hotline is extremely important for the citizens of Michigan, for the quality of life in neighborhoods statewide.
It's worth every penny that goes into it and every penny that we award to the witnesses, because it potentially will keep people off the street that can cause harm, death and danger to other surrounding communities and the people that live in them.
Thanks to this multi-agency collaboration, as of today, the Arson Hotline is running smoothly. Tips are coming in and rewards are being paid. For the National Insurance Crime Bureau, I'm Kristen Sleeth.